Who name Snow?
No.
Snow your matey, you know?
My matey.
Yeah, since I want to go far. Who go far now?
Oh.
Since I want to go far. Who go far now?
Okay.
Well, look up for my name for. No, look up
When I
for
see
my name.
Akeem, I tell him that. No tell me I'm a friend, no.
No, look up for my name, bro. No, stop
I'm a friend, no. When I see him, I tell him that. I'm a friend, no, me a friend, no.
Rose.
I hope the screen card and him hear it.
Bro.
I hope the screen card and him hear it.
What go on?
No one can bring me down, you know. But some no one can bring me down. You know, go try bring down him.
Rose,
I tell him all along. But always tell him that you want to go. Come sitting up pussy say you want to go there, you know. Because when them not supposed to do it. It's the way them not supposed to do it. You want to go there say long time.
No, you want look at me on my name. What the fuck?
No, you
want to put on my name.
I'm never talk, you don't have to talk about me. You don't have to talk about me, but him forget
every day, bro, joke me a joke.
I'm for blood clot chat too now. Move. Come off from a blood clot phone screen. Move.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen, a whole leap is going on in this one, my people. So it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Jayden and Rosealee catching some beef over Snow and Akeem. Listen, I say, I know Rosealee is saying Jayden a low clout for Akeem. All this because Rosealee did that diss up. You know, Jayden bring up Fabi. You know, naming out a why, you see I say, and Jayden did a one enough to do that. So him simply asks one question, who is Snow? And then Rosealee get all up in her feelings and I say, him a look close to Akeem. So right then and there, she confirmed that Akeem and Snow in a relationship. People putting at the comment section where you think about that because Jayden never called her name, you know. You see what I say? And I don't know why Rose will take it to heart because she already knows that Akeem don't want her. You feel me? But nevertheless, the girl did stress and she did oppress. And then I said one bag of things. You see what I said? So let's hear what she has to say about the situation. And then we'll hear from Jayden. And then we'll proceed more into this relationship with Akeem and Snow. Because I'm not going to tell you the lie, my people. Me hear say Akeem I hide from Snow, you know, because Snow there at Jamaica right now, you know. Akeem I hide from Snow right now, you know, because it look like say Akeem get one new man uptown. You see me I say, problem in the Dolly house, you know, you see me? So let's like and share the video from now, and let's hear what go on for the go on, you see me?
If I come try to them thing there, last time she talk about me have gun, me buy gun. Bro, stop with them thing there, bro. Every time I run joke video, you ever do them thing there.
Alright, nobody cause those lefty. Those lefty Jayden, alright, done. But I go too far, those lefty this so. Lefty Jayden. Lefty. Yeah? Alright, only those lefty this so. But I make you get out of proportion. Those lefty right this so. And just go and build.
We can't run, bro. Come on, bro. I'm tuna dog. I'm tuna, bro.
Alright, Jayden, done. Nobody go to make it on. Nobody ash up yourself. Just left you and bone half of this sucker. Nobody make it get out of all. Left this me boy. Just done.
Him been one go the long time, lovely. Me see it on screen cards and them one go long blood clot time. And I go on the women's out. I saw him stay. Oh. Me no friend them, you know. I know them like my hand back. I don't want them money crave now hungry. Me not friend them, me know them. Oh. I don't know, say me name my food and my spirit just upset me name no more. I put that.
Akeem know this, man. Akeem know this, man. The dog never this, man. Me diss him. Oh, me diss him. Oh, me diss him. Who for name I call? Who for name I call? If remember, you know, yes, if I want, yes, if I want, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, if Rose go continue growing on this people, bro, the dog, I will get this. If Rosealee continue growing and I call it, and I do them thing there, the dog, I will get this. Cause imagine me and her over there chat, and she a call Fabi name. She can't this one, but she can't take it back. That's the things, though. You mad? And that's the things go, darling. If I want this, me, I can't take it back. Mad. That's how this work. Yeah, this me, I get but this. Simple as that. You want defend, you defend. Send anybody you want.
Okay, people, this is my take. Rosealee is definitely delusional because Jaden have a higher status than Akeem out here. You know what I mean? Jaden never have to use nobody like Akeem. I use Rosealee for, jumpstart back in career. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But just the guiltiness of her, mentioning that in the same sentence is not a good look. Because as you can see, everybody knows that Akeem and Snow is a couple. But like I said in the beginning of the video, my people, things in Akeem life is going to get real messy. Yes, he's not behaving himself and complying with Snow orders. Mr. Marcy, and the card washing business too as well. Right, so my sender said, good evening, King. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Okay, Snow has trapped in the place, meaning Snow is in Jamaica. And it has been stated that Snow paid for the unaliving of Naya. Snow and Figure It Out had met with Naya. Naya started to burn them out. Naya had gone down to St. Anne to stay by his mom. Naya was called back to go, called back to go back to where him live and all them things that after the program was set and paid for. My understanding is when the police was called to Rosalee's house, they found card cleaning lists. It has been said that Akeem is avoiding Snow because of him staying with a prominent figure in Stony Hill. Figure It Out is staying quiet as he doesn't have, the links that Akeem has, and it also has been said some guys around Akeem have been picked up by the police. I'm pretty sure it was Rosealee that called police to her yard, but it backfired. I will send you sources tomorrow. I remember when we did the downloads of Dancehall series, Akeem Brethren said the reason why Snow do not come out and say nothing because Akeem them a beg like baby plus Snow and Nicholas using client scamming card to give them on they live. Trust me, Snow mind them both and figure it out. Mr. Mars, some people putting out the comment section where you think about that. So no, you say why Snow is entertaining Jaden who want, to bust. Akeem back on business, yes. Snow and Jayden are entertaining them one another and people them is reading between the lines and realizing it's Akeem them a talk about like what you do for iPhone and all of these good stuff. This is what I say. So I'm gonna start giving them quick update while going for the night chat, so do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video them. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest stuff. Bless.